Today we are in a shopping mall here in Bangkok. It is called Central Eastville. And there's an event here at the moment which is Taste of Tea. I'm taking this opportunity to be able to talk to some of the owners of this matcha bar that are coming from all over Thailand. Some are coming from the north, some are coming from the south, northeast, and I've selected brands that I would like to share with you their experience. So let's take a look at what's in here. This is at Ritual Matcha and Coffee Bar. And why do you need to join this event? The most important thing here is not to sell, but to get people to know you better. So if you're starting a new brand or a new cafe, participating in events like this makes sense.
Hi, hello. My name is Chris, the owner of Midorihayate, which is a matcha shop located in Khon, Thailand.
So Khon is northeast of Thailand. How far away is it from Bangkok?
Approximately 600 kilos from Bangkok.
Okay, so all the way from Khon and 600 kilometers to Bangkok. What inspired you to open your matcha shop?
4 years ago, at first I opened a small tea shop, which is a Taiwan bubble milk tea.
Okay.
And the result was not good as I expect. Yeah. And I consult with my friends and how to make the business go well. And they talk to me that I have to see the sale of the data. And it turns out that the matcha was one of the best-selling menu, so that's why I decided to switch to 100% selling matcha.
Okay, wow, that is a very inspiring story for those that are already having a bubble tea shop, right? But although I would say these days bubble tea is also, becoming more and more popular, but matcha is more popular. So after you switched to matcha, did you go back at all to bubble tea? Do you still offer bubble matcha tea?
No, just 100% matcha.
Did it take a lot of effort and time and learning about matcha to do that switch? What did you do?
I would say it's really hard in order to make people understand what matcha is, because my province is not located in Bangkok.
Okay.
Yeah. Because at first, all the people think that matcha is like green tea, but it's not. It's not like green tea.
It's not. Yeah.
How do I say?
Did you have to go through a special learning process? Did you have to go to Japan or things that you did?
Yes, I visit Japan 2 or 3 times twice.
Okay.
I go to the origin, Yami and Uji, and study what is matcha and see the process of making matcha. Yes.
Okay.
Fortunately, I have a Japanese friend, and he helps me a lot how to see how.
To learn about matcha.
Because we speak different language.
Yes, it's. I think many of us understand that if you go to Japan and you don't know the language, it is quite hard, right? Yeah. So that really helps. So when you tasted matcha the first time, tell us about your experience.
Back to 10 years, 12 years ago, when I was 15, that was the first time I tried matcha, and the result I would say it's not good. As I remember, it was so bitter.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
And back to now, 2 years ago, I decided to try the matcha again and comparing with the past. Yes, the taste is very good. So that I realized that the matcha at I first time tried, it was not good quality matcha comparing to this day.
Yeah.
My favorite matcha, if I have to choose one, I would say Yame matcha, is because it's a unique character.
Yeah.
Maybe Yame matcha has a strong aroma, and in Thailand we call, you may heard that people say nutty
yes,
matcha.
Yes. I hear the word nutty a lot in matcha.
Yes, because It nutty, it aroma. Yes, that's why Yame matcha is one of my favorite, most favorite matcha.
Right. But then, Yame has got also different variety, right? Different cultivars. But in Thailand, I find that Yame matcha is more popular than Uji. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. But all over the world, Uji is more popular than Yame. Yeah.
If you come to Thailand, you may see that there are several matcha shops, and as I am the owner of matcha shop, according to my experience, I would say 80% of people prefer Yame matcha.
I know.
Matcha
Yeah.
than other matcha. Yes.
So tell us, from the time that you switched from bubble tea to matcha 2 years ago, how is it going for you now?
I would say it's really good. Yes, people understand what is matcha,
Yeah.
what is matcha, and how and the benefit of matcha comparing 2 years ago after the matcha becoming like a trend.
Yes, yes. Although because of all these, there's a lot of shortage in matcha. So did you sell matcha for other shops before?
Yes, we also sell matcha to some cafe shop.
But you said now you don't because not enough.
Yes, because the shortage of matcha, that is
Right.
a big problem.
Tell us about your name, Midori Matcha. How did you why did you select that name? What's the idea behind that?
So honestly, at first I didn't have any great idea to name it, so I decided to ask my Japanese people, and he named Midorihayate. Midori, which means green, and Hayate, which means storm. Yes. And if we see the crater is like a storm green.
Green
Yes.
from Midori Hayate.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
ลูกหลานเนาะนะคะแบบนี้เราก็สามารถที่นะคะสอบถามเราได้เลยนี่นะคะแม่เที่ยวมาเสิร์ฟให้กับ
Thank you.
เช่นเดียวกัน
Well, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us and tell us your story. Now, for all the viewers out there, this is your time to let them know who you are, where you are, and share us your Facebook page.
Our shop name Midorihayate, which is a matcha shop located in Khon, northeast of Thailand, and you can follow us on Facebook page Midorihayate, Midorihayate. So if you're a matcha lover or you're people who passionate in matcha, if you have a chance to visit Khon, please come to our tea shop Midorihayate. We are always there and always welcome you.
And if you are not a matcha lover, if you come to see him, you might become a matcha lover. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.